Hi, I'm Erik Linask. I'm here at Supercom in Chicago, and I'm talking now with Intertek's Michael Lehmann. Michael, thank you for joining me.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
So maybe start, just tell me really quickly what Intertek does.
Well, Intertek is the world's largest products and commodities testing organization. We have over 1,000 labs in over 100 countries with 24,000 employees. We're currently traded on the London Exchange and are a FTSE 100 company, being one of the largest companies on the London Exchange. And here at Supercom, we're talking about our telecom division, where we do product safety testing, EMC testing, NEBS testing, fiber optic testing, as well as OSP testing.
So obviously there are a lot of trends and issues that we've been hearing about here at the show and just in general. What are some of the trends and issues that are affecting Intertek's business?
Well, some of the trends we see is there's been a definite change in the increased amount of fiber optic opportunities that are coming forth, where the carriers are looking to put more bandwidth down line, and as such you're seeing a lot more fiber optic equipment come through. We're also seeing a lot Verizon's working through a deployment for their fiber optic requirements for fiber optic to the premise, as well as a lot more wireless opportunities coming in machine to machine.
So as a result of that, or those issues and trends, what are some of the new services that Intertek is introducing?
Well, recently we've increased our fiber optic testing scope for the ability to test more and more types of cables, as well as increasing to be able to offer testing for multi-mode cable and looking to expand our ability to test military cables. We, while adding to our core for testing both copper and fiber equipment for GR1089, GR63, GR47 for outside plant equipment, GR950, which we also offer product safety testing for the United States, Canada, and Europe. So what Intertek likes to pride themselves upon is the ability to talk to a customer, figure out where they're going, and offer them a one-source solution that'll allow them to maximize their testing dollar while minimizing their time to market.
Minimizing time to market being one benefit. What are some of the challenges that people are looking to address when they come to Intertek?
Well, the challenges vary by the type of equipment and the type of clients. Some clients are well established in the industry. They bring products to us on a weekly basis, and their challenges are physically having enough support equipment to get the systems through and coordinate all the equipment that's coming in and out of the labs, where we work with them having daily or weekly conference calls to support them on what they need to know on where their products are in the market. But you may have a new client that's a startup that this is the first time they may bring a product to market, and that's one of the areas where our expertise and over 20 years doing the testing allows us to say, we know this type of equipment. We have the ability to help support you so that you don't have to have someone on site while we're doing the testing. One of the big things you see now is you see decreases in budgets, so we have the ability and we have the expertise to run a vast majority of this type of equipment, so you don't actually have to have an engineer be on site to do the testing.
Fantastic. And generally speaking, do people recognize the need for this kind of testing?
Absolutely. In this industry, it's widely known that if you're trying to get into one of the carriers, you're going to have the product evaluated, and there are very few companies that have the accreditations to do it, and those that do it well, like Intertek, are well known throughout the industry.
Good, excellent. I've been talking here at Supercom with Michael Lehmann from Intertek. Michael, thank you very much for joining me.
It's great. I appreciate it. Thank you.